Hi there, are you wondering how to start a dairy farm? Dairy farms take a lot of money and capital to start up, way more than a meat operation does. Know what you're getting into and how you want to get into it before you decide to start a dairy farm. Firstly, planning your dairy farm. Research species and breed. 2. Decide on a food source. Concentrated feed requires less labor but more money. 3. Create a breeding plan. Dairy bulls have a reputation for dangerous behavior. 4. Study farming practices. Take some time to learn about breeding, calving, manure management, weaning, milking cows, and crop management. 5. Invest in capital. A farm requires a large one-time expenditure to get started. 6. Find a good source for animals. Inspect all dairy animals personally before buying, including several milking tests. 7. Research the local milk market. If you're starting with just a few animals, talk to nearby dairy farmers for advice on selling to local. 8. Contact the government. Your local or regional government may require permits and paperwork to run a farm and sell milk. 9. Create a business plan. Put all your financial estimates into a plan that covers the first few years of your business. 10. Learning the basics. Mark each individual animal. 11. Control the spread of disease. Always buy disease-free animals and keep them isolated from other animals during transportation to your farm. 12. Give the animals proper nutrition. Feeding cattle and other livestock can be a complicated business. 13. Milk the animal frequently. Milk-producing animals typically need milking 2 or 3 times a day.